Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're back with another wig install from Angiequeenhair. And today we're featuring their 14-inch 5x5 glueless transparent lace wig. And this is their packaging. This is it. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. I received a wig cap and some eyelashes. And this is our wig for today. It is their 5x5 14-inch transparent lace wig. And this is it. It already came pre-plucked, 200% density. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Angiequeenhair, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is their 14-inch 5x5 glueless transparent lace wig, and this is it. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a wig cap on. Okay, so we have our wig cap on. I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace and then we install our wig. But this is our lace without foundation. This is it without foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace and then install our wig. So this is what our lace looks like with the foundation. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. But again, today we are featuring Angiequeenhair. This is their 5x5 14-inch glueless transparent lace wig. And this unit is 200% density. If you want to get this hair, the link will be in my description. So go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. And today I'll be doing a glueless install on this unit using only my Cream of Nature mousse. So let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so we put our wig on and this is it. This is what it's looking like. This is it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig, and again we're going to be doing a glueless install on this unit, and I'll just be using my Cream of Nature mousse to install my wig today. So I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. Whenever I'm doing my glueless install, I always like to cut the excess lace off first before I apply the Cream of Nature mousse, just so that it lays better. I feel like when you apply the mousse before and then you cut it off, it kind of lifts up and you gotta reapply the mousse. So what I do, I just cut the excess lace off first and then apply the mousse to the edge, and that will give it like a better lay. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the excess lace off and then apply our mousse. Alright guys, so I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is the vibes that we're getting. Completely natural. This is it. I haven't applied my mousses yet, and this is the vibe. So now what I'm about to do is to apply my Cream of Nature mousse around the hairline and tie it down, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig. But this is the vibes that we're getting. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished drying the mousse, and this is it. This is the vibes that we're getting. So I'm just gonna tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig. But this is what it's looking like after I applied the mousse. Just gonna tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig. But again, today we're featuring Angiequeenhair. This is their 14-inch 5x5 glueless transparent wig, and this is the vibes that we're getting. I'm just gonna tie this down, let it dry. But if you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Make sure you click that link and make your purchase. This is it. Just gonna tie this down, let it dry, and finish styling our wig. Alright guys, so it's just about dried. I give it like 10 to 15 minutes and it's just about dried. And now we're about to take this off and finish up our wig. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it is completely laid. First of all, it is completely laid. This is it. And it is glueless. Let me show you guys. It is glueless. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and make a little bit of baby here, and that'll be it. This is what it's looking like so far. I just made my baby here, and this is it. I'm just gonna tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. I try to keep it as natural as possible, so this is what I came up with. But I'm just gonna go ahead, tie this down, and finish up our wig. Again, this wig is from Angiequeenhair. This is their 14-inch 5x5 glueless transparent lace wig, and this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but if you want to get this hair, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished flat ironing my hair, and this is the vibes that we're getting. this is it. This is what her lace is looking like. It's completely glueless. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It is completely glueless. This is it. Once again, today we're featuring Angiequeenhair, and this is their 14-inch 5x5 glueless transparent lace wig, and this is it. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Angiequeenhair, their website is also in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. This is the finished look. This is it. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.